Christina Panu, age 69, heritage Polish-German, birthday November 5, 1939. She was married to Wilford J. Panu. They met racing cars in Lincoln Park, Michigan. Mostly dated with their friends, went out to dinner and a movie. They were married at St. Francis of Assisi Church in Detroit, Michigan on April 4th. She had 3 sons and a daughter. She found out she was pregnant because she always had heartburn. She chose her son Raymond after her father. Jay chose John after his father. Christina chose Ron after her cousin, and Jay chose Jenny after her mom. The proudest moment as a parent, seeing all my children in college at the same time and enjoying one another. We always had a boat, so we went to the lake, water skiing, went camping, and traveled around the U.S. seeing some of the world. I mostly worked for doctors as an x-ray tech, was a bowling alley manager, worked in a grocery stores as an assistant head cashier, and then part-time at the Fox Theater on the event staff. If I could have another profession, I would want to be a flight attendant. I've learned most from my parents is to be honest and love the Lord. What I want people to remember me by is how much they enjoyed knowing me and the time I did everything for them without asking me to. When I was married, we traveled together almost all over the U.S., Canada, and the Dominican Republic. After Jada, my sister Maxine and I went to Alaska. Next, my mom and sister and I took a flight to Boston, rented a car, and sightseed all through Maine, Nova Scotia, and New Brunswick. Had an awesome time. When I moved to Georgia, I met another widow, and we planned our trip to Italy and Sicily. Next, we went to Spain and Portugal, and then to Hawaii, Bora Bora, and Tahiti. Then, when we crossed the international date line, we had a big party on the ship, and they smeared me with jello and whipped cream, and then threw me into the pool. Took a trip with a friend to the Canadian Rocks. What a beautiful place. We got to try water that was melting from a glacier, rode a train, saw a whole herd of moose, steering right on the highway, and got to see a beautiful grizzly bear hanging out the window taking pictures of him. After I started working at the Fox, we had a group of widows or single girls that loved to travel, so our first trip was a short cruise to see if we traveled well together, and of course, we did. Our second trip together was to Spain, where we went from Madrid to Barcelona, seeing everything we could. The next trip we took was a cruise on the Mediterranean Sea, where we visited 8 countries. I love Malta the best. Then we took another small cruise to Bahamas. Our next trip was to Egypt, which I loved. We rode camels on the Sahara Desert for almost an hour, took a balloon ride over the Valley of the Kings, cruised the Nile River for 4 days, and an evening at the pyramids, and spent a lot of time in the markets in the cities. Our next trip was to Thailand, which was a fabulous country. We drove through the countryside, seeing how the people lived, what they ate. The strangest thing they ate was barbecued rats, yes, rats, with their heads and tails on. We ate many of our dinners on trips on the rivers there. They had beautiful temples and many Buddhas made of gold. They were very religious people who are very kind. We also went to Burma, where the people and very poor but were nice. Looked across the Mekong River and saw locusts. We didn't go there because it was too dangerous. They also had a river market where they sold all their fruits and vegetables, which was something to see. They also cooked meals on the little boats. While riding through the countryside, we came across a family of monkeys and had a chance to get out of the bus and feed them. We went into the jungle and rode elephants, saw an elephant show, and watched their elephant painting pictures and get a bath. Next, we went on a raft ride down a river. Tons of fun. We traveled to the River Kali. Next up, over 300 steps to see the area where the men put a railway through a mountain and built a bridge over the river. Next, we went into a jungle and stayed at a real nice resort on the River Kawi. We were awakened in the morning by roosters crowing and monkeys chatting. Loved every minute of it. Our next trip was a weekend to New York City to see Broadway plays and just do the tourist thing. Loved visiting there, but never would live there. Then a weekend in London, rode on the Eye, went to see the changing of the guards, and saw so many places as we could. Rode their awesome buses and took the underground all over London. Then took a train to Wimbledon. What a wonderful place. Our next trip will be to Washington, D.C., and later in the year we'll be traveling to Germany and Austria. My favorite place is Rome. Been there 4 times. I just love the old worldness of it. Been blessed by the Pope and saw every site of St. Peter's Basilica, even the catacombs. Our lives were much freer. We could go out and play in the park together with no parents and never be afraid until I got older. I never had to worry about being shot or burglarized. I walked to school or rode the public bus and never was afraid. I was a much nicer time for everyone. My dad and I spent a lot of time together. He was a very gentleman who worked hard and was always kind for us. He never raised his voice or spanked us. I was about 12. I helped him take his car engine apart and then put it back together. When he started it caught on fire and burned. We were so upset and then just started laughing. He died when he was 42 and I still miss him. To have a happy life with a husband and children, to love, to be loved, a home where they could come and visit and feel right at peace, to have some friends and wouldn't trade them for anything. I even get to pick on my neighbors in good humor and have tons of fun. All my dreams came true.